Automation World. Hey, I'm Mike. I'm out with Marco. We're in Goldsboro, North Carolina for the Road Show 2023.
Hey guys, Will Henderson here, Scott Equipment Company. We're down here in the Greenville, South Carolina area for the 2023 Road Show.
Hey guys, Phil Weber here with Scott Equipment, Charlotte area outside territory manager. Here with Bill, and he can introduce himself.
Hey guys, I'm new to the team. It's my first day on the job. Looking forward to learning a lot, working well with the other guys, and take it from there, see what we can do.
And I'm Phil Lister, engineering manager for Scott Equipment. Keith and I are on the same tech team with some other guys. Our job is to make all this work.
Hey, Thomas Ridgway here. Just finishing up a great day of sales calls with our demo van. Been to about 3 or 4 different towns today.
Hi, I'm Barron with Scott Equipment Company. I'm the hydraulic specialist here at Scott Equipment Company, and today I want to talk to you about hydraulic power units.
Hey, Industrial Automation World, Tyler Ewing, your local account manager here in South Carolina. Just finished up a great customer visit on our road show.
Hey guys, Will Henderson here, riding around in our demo van today in the Greenville, South Carolina area with one of our top vendors,